Inside the van last night, it was 7 Celsius, so probably colder outside than that. And you can see there this pernicious condensation has sweated on the steel part, the exposed steel parts of the vehicle. There is currently a mass debate going on between Vanman Dave, Dave Judd, and Simon Blake. Comments there, if I fit any of them in, about how to start a diesel engine. Now, Dave Judd thinks that that light that goes on when you turn the key and then goes off is actually an airbag test circuit. Simon Blake believes that the heat in the cylinder is actually generated by the cranking speed from the starter battery, whereas Vanman Dave believes that when you wait a minute, well, as I do, when you wait a minute, the glow plugs warm the cylinders up, then you turn it. So we're going to try all of them. And a viewer by the snappy handle of Alan L200 Truckman there has a theory about my wind deflector. I didn't need to cut it, that it's supposed to stick to the metal and not go up inside the window frame where the window goes up. So of course I never read the instructions, but let's try them. Let's get up and start the engine and do the right wind deflector. Team assemble. Oh, I can't even sit up in bed. To put my shirt on in the morning. Oh, this is grim. We're not even into the winter proper yet. Oh. Bed's a lot higher up than before, just 2 inches. It's quite nice out here. Now, some might think that putting your jumper into your tracksuit bottoms is very poor fashion sense indeed. But if I cared what other people thought about me, this would be a very different channel, and hateful trolls like Jen Roberts and someone who calls himself Jimi Hendrix would be a lot more effective. But you're not. You're nobodies with no content. Ha. Trolls. And that's coming from someone who lives in a small Peugeot van with no money for food except what my viewers have sent me through PayPal. A moment of calm from Socks with Sandals. Now we move on to Alan 200T Truckman's idea that this windbreak goes on the outside of the window there. Maybe it does. Obviously clean the surface thoroughly before affixing. Yeah, that's about as thorough as you're going to see on the Socks with Sandals channel. Remove the backing tape, I guess, is the next thing. Yeah, that's one. Oh, that's broken. Great. So the glue is now exposed. And let's begin affixing. Maybe I'll put the camera down and do this with two hands. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Huh. Well, what do you know, Alan 200T Truckman? You were right. Look at that. Spot on. And I believe I owe the people of Turkey an apology for not insulting them yesterday. Merhaba. Teşekkür ederim. Affedersiniz. It's hard to believe that that's going to stay on in all weathers and all temperatures. Huh? Acid test is to wind the window down and check it out. Oh, do you know what? That is spot on. There are some VanLife bloggers like VanLife Sue, Peaky Part-Timers, obviously Brett the Urban Stealth Camper Van Man, who can just talk for a solid 8 minutes without a break, without a mistake, without so much as a stutter or an Not me. You see, I have to take lots and lots of short videos of me spouting gobshite in the hope that after it's been through the cutting room floor, just a small percentage of that is even worth listening to. Yeah. What a pig's ear I made of the left side of it. Now I come to think of it with 2020. Wrapping up a load of boulders in a steel mesh by hand would strike me as quite a hard job to do.
We now enter the secret microscopic domain of the psilocybin mycelium.
Sweet! So, when it comes to starting, first we'll try Simon Blake's suggestion. He's had an old Peugeot before, so this might be superstition, but he says, alright, warm it up once, and off, and on again, and now start. Oh! Wait, that wasn't a fair test because I left a couple of electrical circuits on. Okay. Let's do this again. On. Off. On. And start. Seems to be business as usual. I must say, I don't like that windbreak being so thick on the A pillar there. That's like much wider than my eyes, and no way I can see past that. eccentrically today, I'm going to park right next to a wall, but with my door facing away from the wall. I mean, how weird is that? Oh, maybe some scrapage. Oh, that's so ridiculously close. This chipboard bulkhead was annoying me, and now I have a knife. I'm going to cut it away to give me a much better view of the handbrake. I don't know if you can even see that. There's the handbrake, there's the chipboard, and there's the hole I'm going to cut. The thing about chipboard is it actually feels like it's meant to be cut with a penknife. There you go. You just score it and then follow it up with a deeper cut and then deeper cut, and then it's free. Amazing.